In need of a new roof and wondering if your homeowner's insurance will cover it? Then this video is for you. In the Sunshine State, where the weather can change in the blink of an eye, your home's roof is the first line of defense. But when it comes to your homeowner's insurance, did you know that only certain circumstances allow for coverage of a new roof? Today, we're going to dive into the complexities of insurance policies in Florida, focusing on what specifically needs to happen for your insurance to pay for a roof replacement. Homeowners insurance is designed to provide peace of mind, covering unexpected damage to your home. However, unexpected is the operative word. Insurance typically covers damage that's sudden and accidental. Think fire, hail, or windstorms. In Florida, this also means the unique challenges of hurricanes. But here's the catch. Wear and tear from age or neglect is not covered. So, if your roof is old or hasn't been maintained, its replacement likely won't be covered unless the damage results from a covered peril. Moreover, in Florida, the specifics of your coverage can significantly affect your claim, especially considering the state's high risk for hurricane. Most policies feature a separate hurricane deductible, a cost that can be substantially higher than your standard deductible. Understanding the details of your policy is crucial. This includes knowing your deductibles, especially for hurricanes, and what events are considered covered perils. Annual reviews with your trusted insurance advisor can help you stay prepared and protected. When it comes to filing a claim for roof damage, prompt action is crucial. Document the damage thoroughly with photos and videos and contact your insurance company immediately. An adjuster will assess the damage to determine if it's covered and how much the insurance will pay. But what if your roof needs replacement due to age or wear and tear? Generally, insurance won't cover this. However, if a covered peril accelerates the need for a new roof, you might be partially covered. Here are some tips to ensure your claim is successful. First, maintain your roof and keep records of repairs and maintenance. This can demonstrate to your insurer that any damage is due to a covered peril, not neglect. Second, understand the specifics of your policy. Know what's covered and what your responsibilities are. Navigating homeowners insurance in Florida, especially when it concerns something as crucial as your roof, can seem daunting, but you don't have to do it alone. At Vermost Insurance, we're more than just an insurance agency. We're your trusted advisor through every storm. Our team of trusted advisors are committed to providing you with personalized service, ensuring that you understand your policy, what it covers, and how to protect your home against the unexpected. Whether you're assessing your current policy, filing a claim, or just have questions about potential coverage, our advisors are here to guide you every step of the way. Ready to ensure your home is protected with a policy that meets your needs? Call us today at 727-748-2886. Our trusted insurance advisors are here to help you navigate the complexities of homeowners insurance, offering peace of mind in a state known for its sunshine and storms. Vermost Insurance Agency, where your peace of mind is our priority. Thanks for watching, and remember, we're just a call away.